Our journey through Venice continues. Having explored the ceremonial heart of San Marco, we now venture into the city's commercial and artistic soul. This is the Grand Canal, the world's most beautiful street, an S-shaped artery that pulses with the life of a city built entirely on water. Everything here, from groceries to mail, travels by boat, a logistical masterpiece that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Ahead of us lies the Rialto Bridge, the oldest and most famous crossing of the Grand Canal. Completed in 1591, it is a triumph of Renaissance engineering, supported by 12,000 timber piles driven deep into the canal bed, where the scent of fresh fish and local produce fills the air. For nearly 1,000 years, this has been the commercial center of Venice. Walking across its stone steps, you pass 24 small shops, a tradition of trade that predates the bridge itself. As we glide further down the canal, we pass the Ca' d'Oro, the House of Gold, its delicate facade once shimmering with actual gold leaf. We now cross into Dorsoduro, the hardback of Venice, known for its stable ground and artistic spirit. Dominating the skyline is Santa Maria della Salute, a magnificent Baroque basilica built as an offering for the city's deliverance from the plague. Its octagonal dome is a landmark for all who enter Venice from the sea, a symbol of hope and divine protection. Inside, the space is filled with light and masterpieces by Titian, reflecting the city's profound gratitude and artistic wealth. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Nearby, the Accademia Bridge offers one of the most celebrated views in the city, connecting us to the world's most important collection of Venetian art. The Gallery dell'Accademia houses centuries of artistic evolution, from the early Renaissance to the vibrant Baroque period. In stark contrast stands the Peggy Guggenheim collection, housed in an unfinished palace that has become a sanctuary for modern art. Here, groundbreaking works by Picasso and Pollock rest in a tranquil garden, a testament to a woman's lifelong passion for the avant-garde. Deep within the district, we find the Square di San Trovaso, one of the few places where the art of gondola building is still practiced. Each vessel is a handcrafted masterpiece, designed with asymmetrical precision to navigate the city's unique currents. As the day begins to fade, we walk along the Zattere, a sunny promenade that once served as a landing dock for timber rafts. The tour through this district ends at Campo Santa Margherita, the vibrant social heart where Venetian life continues in its most authentic form. As the sun sets over the water, the Grand Canal transforms into a theater of light and color. Join us in part 3 as we venture into the hidden corners and local secrets that most travelers never see. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.